we are looking at what is the meaning of the word sex. What is its definition? What does it mean? Sex is a numerical value, a word, but also a number occurring in counting between 5 and 7. 3 times 2 equals 6. So 6 is twice 3. 6 times 6 is 36. 3 and 6. 6. Pretty straightforward. Once you know sex. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and their meaning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there to learn more. Make sure to stay tuned for more learning.